In this video, we will be learning how to use the report section. For training purposes, we will be using some examples. Remember that this section requires a lot of practice, and it may seem difficult at the beginning. Our first section is going to allow us to enter the element which we want to report on. So for example, we would have to click on Add New Column. Clicking on Add New Column will show us the different data elements that we have available for reporting. Remember that these videos were created for the essential element tier only, so you will only have access or you will only see data of the essential element. So for example, we're going to run a report on the number of patients. To run this report, we would have to do a trauma register ID count. Next to our trauma register ID option, we have a function button. In our function button, several functions will be displayed. Since we want to know the number of patients, we would have to do a count. Once we select count, you will see count in the first part of the report section. To update the result, you click update on results and you will see that the results have been updated. Let's do another report. For example, we would like to see penetrating injuries. Remember that penetrating injury is also a drop-down menu, so you can select penetrating injury twice. So one column displays the label and the other column displays the count. We update the results and can see that we've had one stabbing. If you would like to save this record, you can do so under the Saved Report section. You click on the icon and hit on Save As, and then you will see a box that asks you to enter the record or that asks you to enter the report's name. You have saved the record. In the next example, we're going to generate a report of firearm injury. So we would select firearm injury twice and then do a count of firearm. These are our results. Now we're going to add another function to this report, a condition. This section allows you to add conditions to the element you have added in the box above. So for example, I want to know firearm injuries, but I want to do it by date. So I would select arrival date and time. Once I have selected arrival date and time, I will select the operator within today. As you can see, when you click on within today, a list of different operators will show up. We will select on custom period. With that, we will update our results. As you can see, our results have changed. There are different conditions that you will be able to add. This concludes this video.